Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fusion tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, firm surface, away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake firmly and switch on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, gather all necessary tools, your spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. Having these items ready makes the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, with your vehicle safely parked, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise, just enough to break them free, but do not remove them yet. Next, locate the correct jacking point on your Ford Fusion's frame, usually indicated by small notches or arrows near the wheel well. Place the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is fully clear of the ground. Once the car is lifted, you can now completely remove the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire off the wheel studs. It can be heavy, so be mindful. Take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle's hub. Gently push the spare tire into place. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs, making sure each one feels snug against the wheel. With the spare tire in place and lug nuts hand tight, carefully lower your Ford Fusion until the spare tire just touches the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are tight, lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure and get the flat tire repaired soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.